So we're ready to take our snapshot now into Photoshop or the software that you'd like, Paint.net, a really good free one, or GIMP. So let's go in here. The image that we're actually looking to create, if you would like to get some ideas or you know about copyright laws, is we can look for something like a battery texture, and if you have a look, something like this is what we're probably going for. Okay, so it's imported in. Now because it's a PNG, it's see-through. I'm just going to make a black background so I can see what's going on now. So the aim now is to fill in the lines, whatever's inside of there. Now because I'm looking to create something like a Duracell battery here, I know that most of the body needs to be black. So if I was to actually get rid of those lines, the whole thing would be black because it maps and puts things in. I know that in this particular area just here, okay, what I'll do is I'll actually make it a bit of a grey colour, and I will paint bucket that, and I can do that in my black layer. I'll just do a new layer, and that would actually be not a bad way to map it out, because I know that if I drag that layer up, I can see it, that that's going to touch all of that. Now when we want to be specific, we can go to our layer which has our lines on it. We can use our selection tools, and if I do that, you can see that it's, I press delete, it is going to delete everything on the outside, which is no point. Control-Shift-I, I can press delete and delete everything on the inside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave that like that, and then I'm going to map this one out so that it will look like a battery, and then we'll export it. Once we're finished, File, Save As, we can save it as a PNG into source images and we'll be good to go. And that's what we'll pick up next lesson.